morning, folks. I am not feeling too peachy today. I don't know why. I'm over here at Jerry's house. We're about to go to breakfast. I'm gonna try to eat something, but I am not feeling too hot. But anyway, I hope you all are having a great day. It's a beautiful day in Chicago. It's not too cold. And Ann is at school, so I really don't have a whole lot to do today, and I'm just like, yes. So I'm just taking some time to just catch up with my friend and get something to eat and whatever. I checked the mailbox this morning. I'm terrible about checking the mailbox. I basically only check it when I'm in the car, and I like just drive up on it and get the mail out. But I got some cool stuff in the mail, you guys. Well, I think it's cool. Our mailman actually gave us a holiday card. It was so sweet. I don't even know the mailman. I never met him, but he put this in everybody's box, so that was really sweet of him. And Sis sent us a Christmas card. Isn't this the cutest Christmas card you've ever seen in your life? Like, how cute is this? Like, oh my gosh. And their nanny took this picture just like last minute, and then Kay ran to Walgreens and printed these things out. So it was like not high maintenance at all, but turned out really, really good.
Boy, you look so mean.
Where you at? Oh, you in the car. You want me to ride with you? You want me to ride with you? I want to ride with you.
Alright, cool.
Alright, here I come. I'm calling him, let him know I'm outside, and he's already sitting in the car. Okay, we're here. I've never been here before. Is this the entrance?
Yes.
This is like old time. It looked like an old time spot. Like an old Creole spot. Yeah. And this is in Matson, y'all. Matson, Illinois. But they do serve breakfast, right?
Yes.
We're gonna be the only people in here. Right. It's probably just low key. Yeah, they open at 9, so.
Oh, they got a bar. Hell yeah.
Yeah, it's just slow for them. That's what it is. Oh, and it's black owned. Look like. Oh, is he the cook? Oh, they got fried green tomatoes. Love that. Of course, ain't no vegan. Oh, they got a vegan salad. We're being bad. We got sangria and stuff. And these fried green tomatoes look good as hell. Look at Jerry taking a picture.
Take a picture. Can't take that picture always.
his food IG porn be popping.
Wow.
That's kind of popping. That's a popping picture. And I'm over here responding to emails and stuff, and I was setting this video live right here and just doing a lot of stuff. But I'm about to put the computer away so I can eat. You got any Migos?
Migos.
Jerry is DJing. Oh, look at that shadow. It's like cutting me off. It's real shadowy. Anyway, we're just leaving the Hidden Manna, and the food experience for us was probably about a 5 out of 10.
4 out of 10.
4 out of 10. He wasn't really feeling it too much. But they do live jazz on Friday and Saturday. Is that what he said?
Yeah, I think Friday, Saturday.
Anyway, I would still recommend it if you guys wanted to check it out, because it is like Creole food, and you don't get a lot of that in the Chicagoland area. And it looks black owned, and it's all black people in there eating. And then, like I said, they have the live jazz. But anyway, it's a nice little low key, spot if you wanted to come and bring somebody. But you might get recognized because it's nothing but black people in there. Chicago is small, and so there's always gonna be somebody. Because I was sitting there, and these girls were looking at me from the other table, and they were looking at me, and I was looking at them. They were looking at me, I was looking at them. It ended up being somebody who recognized me from Instagram, and then turns out that her husband probably knows my husband. So whatever. But that's how it is when it's like in Chicago. It's so small when it comes to the black community. It's just like, I'm telling you, if you go to an all-black event, 9 times out of 10 you're gonna see somebody you know, or they're gonna know you. And those chances are even higher for me because I actually am like kind of popular online, so people be like, I know her. But yeah, like I said, I would still recommend you guys go just because it is good Southern food. It's just we thought the seasoning was a little off, and we thought the too much sauce. The sauce to food ratio was a little off. They drowned everything in like gravies and sauces and all kinds of stuff like that. And Jerry, he wasn't feeling that. I was like, I could have done without about 2/3 of this sauce and still like the dish. It was drowning.
Exactly.
Makes everything soggy. You know, some people like a lot of gravy and sauce and richness and all that, and I get it. But in this case, it's like a little emphasis on the food and the seasoning, and then a little less sauce.
Taste the food a little bit more.
Yeah.
That's always a plus.
Yeah. But the menu, as you guys saw, it was a pretty nice menu. I mean, it's black food, you know, soul food. So I'm all about that. This is about to be a boring vlog. It is.
It ain't never blown when I'm here. Not at all. It's always excitement, fun.
Well, maybe we just follow you around all day.
Absolutely. Y'all can see the entertainment part of my life. Some stuff we can't put on video though. Yeah.
Because you gotta go to work in the morning.
I gotta go to work. You know? We keep it interesting.
But we kicking it tomorrow though.
Absolutely. Where we going?
My mom's house.
Oh, yeah.
You forgot already. You forgot already.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm bringing the wine.
Yeah, my mom is having a little holiday party tomorrow. I'm gonna bring you guys along. It's gonna be mostly just her co-workers coming over, but she asked me if I wanted to come. I was like, yeah, I'll come, for sure. Hey you guys, so it's the next day and I'm on my way to pick up Ann, and then we're heading to mom's. So today is the day of her little holiday co-worker get together that I was telling you guys about yesterday. I guess as a few updates, I straightened my hair, basically just ran a flat iron through it. I didn't blow dry it or anything, and I only did that because my hair was extremely unmanageable, and the only way to make it manageable would have been to wet it, and I just really didn't feel like dealing with wet hair. So I just threw on the hat because I mean it's kind of a mess because it's really not any sort of style. I didn't really do anything to it. I put some what did I put on my hair? Some of that My Yellow Organics hair milk, and then I put some oil on it. So I'm really not trying to rock like a cute straight style. I'm just trying to make my hair a little bit more manageable for now, as I figure out this haircut that I'm gonna get. So you guys, I'm kind of shook at this lip color. I did like a basic 10-minute no makeup look. I know you guys probably can't even tell I have on a lip color. It just looks really natural, and it's this Beauty by Pop Sugar color. It's a velvet, it's a liquid velvet lip in the color, I guess, Be Racy. It also says Superstar on here, so I don't know what that is. I don't know if that's just the type of lippy that it is or what, but you guys, I got this at that Winter Wonderfest thing that we went to the other night at Navy Pier. They were giving these away to the parents and stuff, but the color is a little light for my skin tone. This probably looks better on white girls, but I made it work with a brown lip liner, and I really like the natural of it. Like, it looks like you have something on your lips, but it's not like red or purple or something that's super overstated. So I like it, and it feels nice on. I'll see if it gets dry throughout the day, but so far it feels pretty good on. So I'm just having a little bit of my coffee from earlier, and it's about 11:30 right now. So I'm gonna go pick up Ann really soon. And then we're just gonna go straight to my mom's. We're not even gonna come back here because I have our bag packed and everything, so yeah. I'm looking real sort of androgynous today. I just have on my sweater. This is a super comfy sweater that I've had for a while, and this button-up shirt and some ripped denim, and I'm wearing some combat boots. So I'm just keeping it real chill today. I love this look, you guys. If I could dress like this every single day, I would. I'm just a tomboy who likes pretty things. And I'm gonna take my mom these Cantu gift sets that I don't need anymore. I'm going over here with like a lot of stuff. Come on, you guys. And is checking out the faux fireplace. She's in the zone, eating her cracker. She loves fire. We've finished all of the cooking, so we're just waiting for Mom's co-workers to arrive. She's got all the toppings.
No, stay in. I'm telling you.
And
Yeah, they gonna. Yeah,
she made some chili. Ugh. I really don't like chili that much. And my mom decorated a little bit more. That's kind of cute. It's kind of cute. It's kind of cute. Oh, let me show y'all what Ann made. Oh, why does this keep getting tucked in?
All right, well, I'm gonna come on down.
It's supposed to be like that. You know what I'm saying? It's supposed to be like that. Ann made this today at school.
Is everybody here?
Oh, it's so cute. Look at the little smile.
Huh?
Oh. So what are you making here?
I'm making some French martinis, girl.
Is this your specialty or what?
It's my specialty and
She loves making fish martinis. You've been making these since we were in high school.
yeah.
If I'm not mistaken, like I remember you doing this.
We gonna soon be out of that, but we still got stuff to work with. You know what I'm saying? They wanna switch it up a little bit.
Oh, Mom. You ladies want to say hi to my vlog?
Ready for the refill? Sarah's turn. She didn't have a second round too.
Did you refill me?
I did? Okay. No.
I mean, no, you didn't. I don't know what you're talking about.
I know, right? All right.
This is her famous salmon salad. She loves making this thing. What's up?
Ursula finished her French martini.
It's easy to finish, it's good.
Right, yeah.
This is what I'm having. Barrel aged stout.
Hey, can I have y'all attention?
Okay. It's fun.
I got a stripper coming.
Stop it. Tell them you're joking.
Next time. Nah, there you go.
They are with it. They're like, "Aw, this party sucks."
I'm happy after this year's over.
Aww. Oh, y'all so cute.
That's my BFF.
Anthony's chili. Ooh. And his beverage and his crackers. He loves crackers with his chili. But no, y'all, this chili is very well done. It's just, let me show you how much meat is in this thing.
I got blueberry flavored candy canes.
It's like 12 beans in here and the rest of it is all meat. I've been eating avocado and olives and some of these. These are good. Work it, work it, work it.
The two run. Son, yeah. I think it's son. I want that. Son, I want that.